Let's make some floral arrangements for the home. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I will be sharing with you a few floral arrangements that I have made for my home. So we're just going to jump right in. The first one is this floral arrangement that I made for my Mother's Day tablescape. I'm just going to tweak it a bit. Going to change out the florals. By taking out the pink hydrangeas and the pearls and adding blue instead of the pink. So yes, I've lost a few petals, but that's okay. Push this down just a smidge, like so. And then on this side here, as you can see, I have it bent, the stem bent a bit, but I'm also going to bend it again like this, okay? So I can get it in here. So I have 3 types of flowers in here. And it's full. Now if I want to, I could add the pearls in there, but I'm not. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to show you this floral arrangement in place. Alright, the next centerpiece will be made out of this item that I picked up from the thrift store. Actually, I had it in the purge, the 1 box challenge to give away, and this is the item that I pulled back out. I got to thinking, I'm like, you might be making a mistake in getting rid of this, and I am so glad that I changed my mind on it. It is a beautiful vessel or vase, all right? What I have to go in it, I have these peonies flowers. I have 2 of them that I ordered from Amazon, all right? That's how simple it is, and as you can see, I still have them together. They're bent like they are when they're shipped. I have another one of these draping florals, and I have some more blue. I'm going to call these hydrangeas too. I'm not sure if they are, but they are blue. And I think I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. Alright, this one will be just as simple as the first floral arrangement. It's not technical and it's not hard to put your floral arrangements together, especially if they come pretty much together anyway. All right, I'm going to place both of these in the vase just like I want them. Trying to hide that stem. bend it down a little bit. But I'm not cutting it, all right? Just like so, all right? Then I'm gonna take the blue flowers and I'm gonna place them in. I'm gonna put one right here and I'm just sticking them in. This is a whole bush here. Doing one over here. One over here. I'm gonna place one in the front, and I'm working with the front here, all right? And I'll turn it around. Spreading that blue around, all right? Like so, all right? And then lastly, and as you can see, I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will make 6. I use 6 pieces, guys. And I'm gonna tuck this one in on the side. All right, guys, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna share with you the floral arrangement in place. Loving this green, the blues and white mix. It is perfect on this cabinet here. Now I will share one more floral arrangement with you. Lastly, I'm going to make a beautiful orchid. Now I'm going between these two planters. This is actually a punch bowl. This is actually a planter that I just recently purchased from Walmart by Better Homes and Gardens. I'm leaning towards this one here, okay, because I want to make it, I want to level it up a bit. So I have some styrofoam here, 2 pieces, a circular one, large, and then I'm going to set this in the middle. I will be hot gluing this one in place. I have some stones here by Better Homes and Gardens that I will be using. I have a bag here as well that I had already. I just want to use the rest of these. Of course, my scissors. I have this, I guess you call it raffia. I can tie the orchids to the dowels. I picked these up for $1 at Christmas Tree Shop. I have the orchid leaves. I have long orchids here that I picked up from Michael's last year at 70 or 75% off. And then I ordered some more from Amazon. And I'll have these linked below. Okay, this is what I was waiting on. And I think that's basically it. I'm going to move this planter out the way so we can get started. Okay, I've already glued the styrofoam in. So now we're going to start placing the orchids in. I'm going to bend one this way because I don't want them all going the same way. All right. actually grouping them in twos. And as you can see, this is going to be a large arrangement. So right now I'm going to insert the dowels to give me some support. And tie them in place, okay? Because they are moving on me. And since they're so tall, I'm going to tie them in place twice, okay? Twisting the raffia around a bit. And tying it in place. Same thing here. Wrapping it all around a couple of times for that support, and then tying them in place. So let me get the other one done and we'll move on to the next step. And this is how it looks so far. It's a substantial piece. So right now I'm going to trim off the raffia and place the stones in the base. Now it does look like I need another container of the white stones. So I have all of the orchid leaves in place. I'm going to put this, since it's so tall, I'm going to put this where I want it at this time and let you see it in its entirety, okay? Stay tuned. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of the ABH family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Be safe out there. And I'll talk to you real soon.